Hello, today I'm in Mercedes A Class. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to telephone. Connect device and search for phones. Start search. And now on your smartphone go to Bluetooth settings. Select your smartphone from the list of available devices. Now confirm on both smartphone and screen, and it's done. Your smartphone is now connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.